new Fujikura 22S single fiber splicer combines Fujikura technology and reliability with a very attractive price point. Perfect for fiber-to-the-home applications, the 22S is the world's most portable active cladding alignment splicer. In the field, the active cladding alignment technology provides excellent splicing results without the need to carefully manage the cleanliness of the V-grooves. The removable sheath clamps make it easy to adapt to specific splicing needs, including Fujikura's FuseConnect Splice-On connectors. The 22S's impressive speed can deliver a single fiber drop cable splice in 15 seconds and a heat time of 24 seconds. Its low-profile, lightweight design ensures stability and maximum portability. The high-resolution monitor is impact-resistant and enables easy viewing of splice details. Fujikura continues to lead the industry with dust and moisture protection. Top off all of this expert technology with a long-life battery and extended-life electrodes to keep you up and running when you need it most. The 22S innovative transit case doubles as a workstation, maximizing its functionality. Just open the transit case to access the required accessories and begin splicing. For even more convenience, the work tray can be placed on top of the transit case, or it can be used with the standard tray and belt kit. Easily upgrade firmware via an internet connection. Plus, the Fujikura 22S is fully compatible with FuseConnect connectors, priced just right to give you best-in-class field-proven splicing and unparalleled service and support. The smallest, lightest, fastest, and most portable active cladding alignment splicer can be yours. The Fujikura 22S Single Fiber Splicer. Available worldwide.